Hey guys, today I have a matching Whirlpool washer and electric dryer set. And right now I've got this one going. It's moved past the sensing. It might still stop and add a little bit more water, but we're just about full submersion and it's getting started agitating. It'll kind of vortex those clothes down, in and around, and then back up on the sides. There's fins on the bottom of this agitator and it sucks them down along the bottom, and that's essentially how it gets cleaned. Now normally this lid would be locked, however I've got a little lid lock mechanism. I just ordered an extra one of these so I can stick it in here and show you what's going on with the load of laundry. So I'm going to allow it to, it'll drain this water out next, then it'll fill back up with fresh water. So you'll be able to see that the drain works. Of course, it fills back up with water, then it'll agitate again in fresh, clean water, and then it'll drain that out. Then we'll be onto the final spin cycle, which I'll come back for and show you is nice, fast, and smooth. These newer machines, part of the HE designation, is how fast it spins, extracting more water out of the clothes. That way, it cuts your drying time just about in half from the older traditional washing machines. So I'll let it get going. Like I said, it might add a little bit more water. We just started in here. When you kick it on soil and deep water wash, you get more water usage, and this will have it take the maximum amount of time to agitate. So it'll probably sit here and go through its variations of agitating for another 30 minutes or so. And of course, I'm not gonna have a 30-minute long video, but that's, you know, if I'd set it to extra light, you'd get kind of a quick wash. So just something to note about this. It designates slightly how much water it's going to use, but this mostly designates how long it's going to sit here and agitate during the wash cycle. So just something to note. Then you've got 5 wash temps here that you can control, and extra rinse options. So I could switch that to 2 rinses and get an extra rinse once it's all done. I'm just going to leave it as is for now, and we'll come back. Okay, I drained all the water out from the wash cycle. It is filling back up with water for the rinse cycle. Same thing, it kind of keeps stopping and adding more water as it goes. It'll rinse for a bit, and then I'll come back and show you that it drains and moves into the spin cycle. Okay, we are moving out of the rinse cycle now. You can hear it draining that water out nice and fast. Of course, it's going to drain all the water out before it spins. But from here, once the water's drained out, it'll spin, and I believe it goes through 2 or 3 spin cycles as the load gets extracted and the clothes get lighter. It spins a little faster. So I'm gonna allow it to spin the first time. We'll come back for the second spin, which will be a little faster. That way you can see it at its peak speed and get to see it and hear it. All right, we are top speed on that spin cycle. Got the drain kicked on, extracting the max amount of water out there. See it spinning super fast. And once again, you would not be able to lift this lid up. You won't be able to when you get it home, plug it in. I've just got that little lid lock bypass switch there, allowing us to see what's going on. But as you can see here, sounds great. Nice smooth operation. And it'll be done here in just a few minutes. We'll switch over to show the dryer. All right, we've got the washer cleared out, and it's all done. Now I've got those clothes moved over to the matching electric dryer. See, it's in excellent, you could call both of these like new condition. The dryer would actually be a little bit quieter if the vent hose were on the back. Right now we can hear the blower motor running pretty loudly, but that's muffled, and I wouldn't say silent, but it becomes just about silent once you put that flexible gray thing on the back. So something to take note of, it just sounds a little bit loud right now. It's because I don't have any hose to hook it into. But I will show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. Right now I've got it set on time dry, high heat setting. This cycle signal switch is one of my favorites. You can turn that off if you don't want it to beep or sing at you. If you got kids sleeping or dogs or something, that's kind of great to just keep it quiet. And you also have an air fluff no heat setting. So it actually puts you at 4 temperature controls here. If you had something super delicate, you could also just switch this down to low right now on the time drive. Or you could put it on automatic and just kind of let it rip, do its thing. Anyway, you've got the lint trap right here. You can pull that out and change it every single load. You want to make sure that's nice and clean and cleared out. I'll grab my temperature gun. Right in between those two red dots, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement. We're a little more familiar with these things now. So it's about 78 degrees on top of the dryer. If I shine it on the concrete floor, it's about 73 down there. Go ahead and open this. You can see everything's tumbling. Now we're going to shoot it right inside the heating element tube. Super hot inside that tube right there. That in turn is going to heat the inside of your dryer up anywhere from about 95 up to 195. Just depends on how long it's been going, what your heat setting is at, but your heating element's kind of right back behind here. So this is the hottest part of the dryer right there. Air circulates and out right there, catches the lint, and it goes out, down, and out the back. And it's essentially how a dryer works. So we'll let that go ahead and finish up. I'll get these listed up for sale. If y'all have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks, you guys have a great day.